Good morning and welcome to Com 320. I'm Allison Kinney-Walker. Really excited to have you in class this semester. I've asked you all to do a video introduction and to tell me a few things about yourself. So first, I'm from Des Moines, Iowa, and came here to go to Creighton University, oh my gosh, over 15 years ago now, and studied at Creighton University, got my master's from there as well in conflict management. So that's a part of this course I'm excited to teach as well. And then I came and got one of my first jobs after my master's degree here at Nebraska Methodist College. So I've been here at the college for almost 9 years. I've been teaching for the last 3.5. During that time, I earned my doctorate from the University of Nebraska-Lincoln in educational administration. And so that's the leadership focus of this course that I'll be drawing on. I've asked you guys to select a leader to tell me about as well. And I'm really fortunate. I have a lot of people in my life that I consider to be mentors. But when I was thinking about a leader, Michelle Obama came to mind. It's now been over a year now since they were in the White House, but I think she did an excellent job as First Lady, and a lot of the initiatives that she took on are things that I think are important, like childhood obesity and school lunch programs and those types of things. So I think she was a leader in that regard. On a personal note, I am just coming off of maternity leave. So you'll see in the picture, I have a daughter who is 5, who will be in kindergarten next year. Then I have twin girls who are 2.5. And then the baby there in that picture is Leia, and she was just born at the end of February. So she's coming up on 3 months. And so this is the first class I've taught in a few months, so really excited to be back teaching. My classes, I try to be as accessible as possible. So if you have any questions at any point during the course, especially with it being an online course, please reach out early and often to let me know if you have a question or a concern or don't understand something. Because this is 5 weeks, it goes by really fast. So don't wait till the last minute to reach out if you're confused by something or don't understand an assignment. Email is the best way to get a hold of me, and I do try to respond to emails within 24 hours. If you feel that an email you're not understanding or you want to set up a phone conference, I'm more than happy to do that. I will be in the office throughout the course on Tuesdays and Thursdays, but don't have real regular office hours. So if you want to meet in person, though, please send me an email and we'll set up a time and be happy to do that as well. I hope you guys are having a great start to your summer, and I look forward to seeing you all in this course. Thanks a lot.